Liner tutorial from this to this. Start by drawing a line more outward, very small. Well, small for me. Create the wing. Fill her in! So essentially, you should just make a small wing liner. I don't know why I explained it that way, but just make a small wing liner. For once, our under eye creases will come in handy because we're gonna use it as a guideline for the bottom lash line. Going slightly below the lowest point, we're gonna go ahead and draw a line. Now connect them. I know it looks fucked up, we're fixing it. Now slightly fill in so it doesn't look as horrendous. Make the inner corner. Remember, we're making an illusion, so we're gonna make this a little thicker down here to make that big ass circle shape. Ta-da! Make fake ass spider web lashes.